Good morning there. Swedish Tony here. You join us in one of the woods in Degorfors. Just out for a little walk with Tina and the little puppy. It's been quite an eventful walk already. Tina took a little stumble. I shouldn't laugh. Tina took a stumble and just banged it back a little bit. And then I, being a clumsy clod, trod in a dirty stagnant pool, so now have a dog bag to keep my foot dry, a soaking wet sock and a stinking boot. But as you can see, we are surrounded by some absolutely beautiful winter views. Just down below, which you may not be able to see just yet, that's a lake. The lake's frozen, and if you look really carefully, you'll see some moose footprints that have just gone across that lake. So yeah, we just thought we'd give you a little snapshot of Sweden this morning, and hope everybody's well in England and Sweden, and vi ses. We'll see you soon. Hej då!